Hello, I'm Klaus Andersen. Today is December 4th, 2018. We're taking a quick look at the DAX, and this time on a 15-minute time frame. I just wanted to do a video real quick about areas of support and resistance that I'm going to be looking for this week. And I'm also going to go through a trade that already happened today in here on the 5-minute time frame. So it's going to be quick, and we have trading in this area right now, just where we had resistance last week. So that should serve as new support. We had a breakout of these highs right now, and now bulls are hoping for a breakout pullback. Long bears are hoping for a failed breakout and a reversal down. Who will win? We don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But for now, I got a short signal in here, and we'll have to wait and see how long it goes. So, support and resistance wise, we had support of these lows right here and of that low there. That's this green line. That's support. Look to buy if price sets up right here. We had a bounce. Support again, previous resistance over here served as resistance, as support as well. And I got a slight interruption there, sorry about that. We finished off this support line right here. Look for longs at this if it sets up. And this support line right here, this minor trading range we had, support multiple bounces of this support line. Here it was a bit above, then it was a bit below. Here it was resistance and now support. So I like that line, potential bounce. Management area if we are holding shorts. Up here we had the upper part of the smaller range right there. Also serves as resistance there, and it was the mid of this range over here was support, and these major bounces over there. And this line right here, we just flew right through that this morning on the open and bounced at the resistance line up here, and now we traded back down through it. So whether this is valid or not, we're gonna have to wait and see. Perhaps it's gonna go down a bit to about 80 instead, but we had some bounces from that over here. So potentially this is gonna move, but for now I'm gonna keep it here just to remind me that there is some potential resistance if price trades up here. And the bounce from this morning excellently bounced off this prior high right here, had this resistance in place before the open. So it's always cool to see when you open up the chart that your resistance lines, support lines help prices as you expect. And of course up here, this high, this could be down here or could be up here. We'll have to wait and see. Also, could be aware of potential bull trend line, something like this. If price moves down there, bounces off this trend line. And there probably is a channel line up here somewhere. That's from that high and that high. We'll have to wait and see. But for now I'm gonna play the support and resistance because this has been some sideways trading. And as promised, I'm gonna take a look at the trade I saw this morning. So we traded through support and we pulled back. And this bar right here, that's the open bar. Following bar didn't trade higher. The following bar didn't trade higher as well. So now we're trading a bit sideways, potentially a double bottom right here, but mostly sideways. Then we had this failed break higher and a small bear bar that closed near the lows. When this bear bar right here closed near the lows, then you had a bull bar with the tail up above. That's the first. I'm gonna switch to the 15-minute chart in a while. You can in a short while, then you can see. So I liked going short here. It was in the final stages of forming this bar that we traded down, so I would probably add short entry waiting here, or wait until it closes and see if you get a 15-minute bar signal, and you would have gotten that below this bar right here. So for now, I'm always in short on the open today, and there probably is a trend line in here somewhere, perhaps a bit more like this right here, something like that. And it's very narrow, so we're gonna have to wait and see. Often we get a test of the overnight lows and then a bounce, but could just continue down. For now, I'm happy with the short, and I'm going to be moving my stop as we go lower. So if you went short right here, you got your 10 points easily before it bounced up. And if you went short below this bar right here, you would have entered at about 26 or 27 or something like that. And the high of this bar right here was 24. So even with the break-even stop, you would still be holding short and be in this trade right here. Then, of course, by now you would have your stop in break-even on your runners. Just remembered, I wanted to show the 15-minute chart of the sell signal. You had this bull bar, tail on top, then you had this bear bar, tried to trade higher, bounced off prior support over here, becomes new resistance, closed near the lows, potentially an open reversal or an open trading range, but you had 10 points before you reached the lows. So I like that for potentially a trend from the open bear. But that's it for now. I am Claus Andersen, and you guys have a nice trading week.